Okay, you gotta roast the jalapenos. 2 pounds. 2 pounds of beautiful jalapenos. Then you gotta cut 3 pounds of tomatoes, a full onion. We are going to put some onion powder, a little bit, not much. Definitely a lot of minced garlic. My favorite Mrs. Dash. Extra spicy. Believe me, it's not that spicy. Secret ingredient. Brown sugar. It's very important because I like sweet heat. And I've never done this one before, but I love the taste of it. Hot and sweet snackers. So, basically, we need to just make sure that these get nice and roasted all the way around. That's a good sign, though, you know, when you get them black like that. Dark brown or whatever it is. Some of these on the outside got to come to the inside. Big eyes got to go in the middle. So, what we do. This is what we do. I'm trying to do this with 2 hands. Videotape and then what we'll do is we'll try to let them cool a little bit. Pull those stems out. You should use gloves, but I ain't using gloves. Bare hand. Real men. Bare hand. And then we're going to put it over into the blender right here. We will use the chop mode. So we'll put it on low and we'll go chop. And we're going to chop it all up. Now, good twist on salsa. Put mangoes in it, pineapple, stuff like that. You know, fruit always is good in salsa. This is what we're doing now. So, I like a sweet heat, so those sweet pickles are really good. I like sweet pickles. I know most people don't. We're not going to put a lot in there. We're just going to see what it tastes like. And if I like it, I'll put more. Yep. They're almost done. I just lightly oil the bottom of this, you know, with some spray vegetable oil. And then we're going to basically just chop it up into the blender. And voila, taste. Season to taste more, season to taste more. And keep seasoning until it's perfect. I really don't have a recipe. I pretty much just a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Put it on my tongue, a little bit of this, more of that on my tongue. That's what I do, because that's what I was taught. Cook to taste. Sure is pretty in the pan though, isn't it? Alright. They look good. They look good. Then we're going to pull stems. And then we were going to blend.